Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are off to see Santa in Enchanted Grotto. We can't wait. My little one is absolutely can't wait to go, guys. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Getting all bundled up because it's definitely going to be cold outside. I will see you all later. Wow, look at this, guys. So we have another little mini Christmas market. Roast sandwiches. I really love all these little Christmas markets. You can see, guys, look how nice. They've also got some bananas, kiwi, mango, flaxseed. So this is what I'm having. Oh, it's Janice here. Thank you. Look at that, guys, my nice smoothie bowl. Santa! So we are going to Christmas grotto to see Santa, guys, so we can't wait. Wow, look at that. What do you see?
Are we excited? And amazing. Come on in then, guys, if you might.
Wow. What is it? Wow, look at this.
Hello.
Wow, look at this.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Are you excited to meet my friend Giggleberry? Come on in.
Ready? Wow, look at this.
Have a wonderful time.
Wow.
My friend down there.
What's this? Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, look at that.
Keep coming, guys. Everyone. You will find the cheer crank. I need you to hold on to crank it. Hopefully it will open your door.
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Wow. Hi, come on in. Hello. Look at this. What do we see?
You've done marvellously. I can still the list. Hello, I love your Paddington.
Oh.
Have you got your letter, sweetheart?
Wait.
Your letter becomes officially enchanted. Jordan, do you want to press this?
Good job. Let's put it in the box.
Send it on its journey to Santa.
Well done. Thank you.
There's someone about your cheer. He wants to meet you in just a second.
Oh, who's that? Whoa, come in. I think. Wow, what is it? It's wow. Yeah.
What would Jordan like for Christmas?
He loves cars and some train tracks. That's what he wants for his Christmas.
That's very good. Wow. Well, I've just come back from the North Pole,
Yeah.
and I brought a very good friend back with me called Sparkle.
Wow.
And you know, she's got a little gift for you as well.
Oh, you got a little gift. Cute.
There you are, dear.
Oh, wow. See, say bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye. So we are back from Santa's Grotto and we really enjoyed today, guys. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. Bye, guys.